Acha, do all of you loving and cooperative souls who have come think that you will give blessings and receive blessings? Are you considering this? Do you have this courage? All the loving and cooperative souls who will maintain courage and receive help, raise your hands high. Raise your hands very high. Acha, then you will also become complete. Congratulations, congratulations. If you're a regular godly student, even if you have come to meet Bap Dada for the first time in this Brahmin life, and you consider yourself to be a Brahmin, a regular student, if you think that you have to do this, then raise your hand. I have to do this. Please raise your hands. Will you give blessings and receive blessings? Will you do this? Are you teachers raising your hands? The first line is not lifting their hand. Teachers are raising their hands. Are you raising your hands? Those sitting in the cabin are not raising their hands. They think that they're constantly giving good wishes. You now have to do this. No matter what happens, maintain courage. Have this determination. If there is ever an influence of bad wishes, then give tenfold more blessings and finish that influence. Reduce the influence of the one bad wish with tenfold good wishes, and you will then have courage. After all, it is you who incur a loss. The other person gives bad wishes and goes away. But if somebody imbibes those bad wishes, who experiences sorrow? The one who takes or the one who gives? The one who gives does experience sorrow, but the one who receives experiences greater sorrow. The one who is giving is careless. Today, Bap Dada is especially telling you about his heart's desire. Bap Dada has one desire for each of you children, whether you are from this land or from abroad. Or even if you're a cooperative soul, because even the cooperative souls have received the introduction. Since you have received the introduction, you should also experience some attainment through that introduction. So Bap Dada's desire is that every child continues to give blessings. Continue to accumulate as much as you want in your account of blessings, because however many blessings you collect,
इस समय जितने दुआएं इकट्ठी करेंगे
accumulate at this time to that extent, you will be able to give blessings to souls when you become worthy of worship.
आत्माओं को दुआएं दे सकेंगे सिर्फ
It
अभी
isn't just at this time that you have to give blessings. You also have to give blessings to the devotees from the copper age onwards.
इतना दुआओं का स्टाक
So you have to accumulate such a stock of blessings. You are royal children, are you not? Bhagdada sees each of your children as one who will become a king. You are no less. Acha.
माता पिता सद्गुरु सखा तुम ही तो एक हमारे हो शिक्षक तुम ही रक्षक तुम ही दिल के तुम ही सहारे हो मिला सारे रिश्तों का प्यार तुमसे
ये अव्यक्ति परिवार में
Om
आपका
Shanti.
स्वागत
Welcome
है।
to
आज के
Avyakti
दिन
Parivar. Day
कंबाइंड
hai
रूप
today
में स्मृति
12th.
से सदा विजयी
Remain
बनो।
constantly
आज का
victorious with
विषय है
awareness of the
शक्तियाँ
combined
और
form.
पांडवों का
Today's
कंबाइंड
topic,
रूप।
combined form of the
अव्यक्तिशाली
Shaktis and the Pandavas.
जितनी शक्तियों
Just
की
as there is the
शक्ति
power of the
है
Shaktis, so too
उतनी ही
there is
पांडवों की
just
भी
as much
विशाल शक्ति
unlimited
है।
power of the
इसलिए
Pandavas.
चतुर्भुज
And
रूप
this is why the
बनाया है।
four-armed image has been
शक्तियाँ और
portrayed.
पांडव इन
It is
दोनों
only
के
through the
कंबाइंड
combined
रूप से
form of
ही
the Shaktis and
विश्व
Pandavas
सेवा के
that the
कार्य
task of
में
world service is
सफलता प्राप्त
successful.
होती है।
Therefore, constantly be
इसलिए सदा
cooperative with one
एकजुट है,
another and
सहयोगी
constantly
बनकर
wear
रहो,
your crown of
जिम्मेवारी का
responsibility.
ताज सदा पड़ा
Cha?
रहे।
Om
ओम। अभी
Shanti.
हम मोइनी
Now
दीदी से
let's listen
सुनेंगे।
from Moini Didi. Om Shanti.
ओम शांति।
Om Shanti.
आप लोगों को 10-15 मिनट साइलेंस में रहने का अवसर मिला।
You all got an
एक बार हम लोग
opportunity to be in
दादी
10 to
जानकी और
15
मैं
minutes
कनाडा में
silence
टोरंटो में अभी
when
नया
we
नया
went
सब कुछ
to
था।
Toronto
एक
one
बहुत
time
बड़े
along
होटल
with
में
Dadi
प्रोग्राम
Janaki,
रखा
and they were doing a new
तो जब
program,
प्रोग्राम
new
रखा
center to
तो
fair.
बहुत अच्छे
They had
जनता
put us
भी
in
थी पर
a
माइक काम नहीं
hotel,
कर
and
रहा था
then there were so
तो
many
दादी मुझे कहती है
people,
बेटा हम
so
लोग
many
क्या
souls
करना
had
है
come to the program.
ये
And
संकल्प
then
चलाए
Dadi was asking me,
क्या हो
कि,
रहा
what
है
should we do?
पूरा
Should
जो
we think
जनता
about
है हम
what is
साइलेंस
being
में ऐसे
happening,
बैठे
or
उनको अनुभव
the
हो
the souls who have come should feel that they have got some silence, some time to sit in silence. So from then onwards, I feel like whenever there is any problem or for anything that happens and there is few minutes delay, I feel to enjoy the silence rather than thinking about what is not working, you know. If I'm connected myself to Baba, and then definitely those who are all waiting would also be kind of like, in connection. So I was just visualizing all of that in front of me from what has happened before. From that time onwards, whatever happens, even if this is an obstacle or a situation that comes, I will immediately check where should our mind go, and then the mind should be busy in creating a peaceful atmosphere, and then lot of vibrations and remembering Baba. And then not everybody's attention will go into what is happening, why is it late like that. So today's subject, this signal, Baba has talked about the combined form of Vishnu. And then Baba is talking about the Shaktis and Pandavas. And then if you see there in the class right now, we have five Pandavas with us and then four sisters here. And then I see so many of you on the Zoom. And many times there are discussions that, how will be in Golden Age, what will be the coat of arms. And usually we say Pandavas and Shaktis, but then when they're combined, it's like the Pandava and the Shakti are combined together. Because whatever part has to be played, we have in these 84 births, we might have played the part of the brother or the sister. So we don't know exactly. But at the confluence age, and we had seen our dadis, and then they used to be an example of both Shiv Shakti and Pandav combined form, because whatever they had done and whatever situations they went through, they weren't thinking that time that we are only sisters and what can we do. But then you have heard, right? That's in the beginning when Pandav Bhavan, when everyone has come. And then before coming to Pandav Bhavan, they were in Bridge Koti, and then they used to, somebody has to be security throughout the night as a guard. And some sisters have taken turns that we will be the security and we will be like, taking care of that. And then we used to ask them, don't you get scared in the night? They used to say no, because they used to show us the quality of both the Pandavas and also Shaktis, and they never felt like they're only females or only limited they can do. So Baba says that it's a combined form. We are Shaktis and also Pandavas. And then Baba says, keep giving cooperation. And let not the Pandavas feel always that the Shaktis are always in front. And not the Shakti should not be feeling that it's always the Pandavas who are in front. So Baba is telling us to be in the combined form and then give cooperation to each other. So that's why Baba says, just as there is the power of the Shaktis, so too there is just as much unlimited power of the Pandavas. And this is why the four-armed image has been portrayed. It is only through the combined form of the Shaktis and Pandavas that the task of world service is successful. Therefore, constantly be cooperative with one another and constantly wear your crown of responsibility.
बहुत सहयोग होता है.
In India, it's a lot of cooperation. And when we went to London in the beginning of Double Foreign Seva, it used to be a lot of all-round seva, and you need to set up for exhibition. We need to do this. Suppose we got a good hall, and then the cleaning of the hall, and then it used to take 2 to 3 days to get that cleaned. And then it's not clean according to us, like how Baba wants it to be, so to clean up and then keep the exhibition and then explain the exhibition, and then after that cleanup also. And at that time myself and Dr. Nirmala were there, and overall together 20-25 sisters and brothers in the class. And no one thought that this is not my task, this is not my task, this is only sisters seva, that is only brother seva. Nobody thought like that. Everybody did both the task. Acha, Om Shanti.
अव्यक्त मुरली रिविजन
Avyakt Murli revision from 1969.
ज्ञान के
Jewels
रत्न
of knowledge and
और
pearls
स्नेह
of
के
love.
मोती.
Avyakt Murli revision. Date is 30th
30 सितंबर
September 1975. The specialities of the elevated souls who play a special part through the Kalpa. You yourselves are experiencing the specialities of the confluence age, whilst keeping the specialities of the entire Kalpa in your awareness. You constantly continue to perform the unique spiritual dance. The dance of the Gops and Gopis is very well known. Do you constantly dance, or do you only dance according to your program? This is the dance of enthusiasm. Within all these dances, the dance on the day of full moon is very well known. What is the significance of this? The full moon signifies it to be a memorial of perfection. Even today, people speak of the specialities of this dance. What are those specialities? What were the specialities of the Gops and Gopis at that time? These are applicable to you. Are they not?
अब तक वर्णन करते रहते हैं, वह कौन सी विशेषताएं उस समय गोप गोपियों की विशेषता क्या थी? आपकी
What were
ही
the main
बातें
specialities?
मुख्य
Relate
विशेषता
3
क्या
specialities. The first
3
speciality,
बातें सुनाओ.
they made night into the day, that is
एक
the sun of
विशेषता
being
रात को दिन
Satopradhan
बनाया
rose
हुआ था.
in the life of every Gop
दिन
and
अर्थात
Gopi.
हरेक गोप
For the
गोपी के
people, it was the
जीवन में
night of the sleep of Kumbhakarna.
सतोप्रधानता का सूर्य
That is, there was a
उदय था.
Tamopradhan atmosphere. The
लोगों के
second
लिए
speciality,
कुंभकर्ण की
there were
अग्नि
constantly
की
the
राह
lamps
थी.
that were ignited.
अर्थात
Maya
तमोप्रधान
was not
युग
able
था.
to enter even
दूसरी
their
विशेषता
thoughts.
सारा समय
The people are caught up in
जागती
Maya,
ज्योति
and
में
Maya
थी.
itself was
माया
unconsciousness,
एक
unconscious.
संकल्प रूप में भी
All the
आनंद
constantly
करती थी.
ignited lights
माया
were
विदो
deeply absorbed
अर्थात
in love of the
माया
Father.
मूर्छित थी और बेहोश थी.
The
क्योंकि
third
सर्वव्यापी
speciality, each
ज्योति
one's hand was in the hand of
निरंतर
another.
पाप
That
के
is, they were in
साथ लगन
harmony.
में मगन
That is, their
थी.
sanskars were in
तीसरी
harmony. It was a
विशेषता
gathering
सबका हाथ
of
में
love
हाथ मिला
and
हुआ था
cooperation.
और ताल
Acha,
से ताल
to
मिला
be
हुआ था.
continued.
अर्थात
Om
संस्कार
Shanti.
मिले हुए थे. स्नेह और संगठन का सहयोग का संगठन था. अच्छा, आगे की मुरली कल सुनेंगे। ओम शांति।